What's going on? Nathan Clark here, giving you an update what's happening in the market. You know, we do a lot of real estate transactions every single month, and the most common question I hear from our clients is what's happening and what's going on with prices and things like that. So I wanted to update you today what's happened in the February real estate market. I'm gonna start with new listings. We're seeing we're down on new listings again, and it's really been a drought of new listings for the last 2 years during COVID and everything else. And this is the lowest it's ever been, actually down 16% year over year, 16% for single family. Multifamily took even more of a hit, down 33% year over year. 118 new listings came on last month compared to the same time last year in February, 177. Condos showing the same pattern here, down 24% year over year. 139 new listing condos came on compared to 182 the year before. So we're definitely seeing a squeeze of inventory. Right now, we're seeing a 1.7 month supply of inventory. Now, what does that mean? Well, typically anywhere between 0 to 3 months of inventory. Months of inventory is if not another new listing came on the market, how long would it take to sell all the inventory that's on the market in Rhode Island? Typically you see between 0 and 3 months, that's showing you that that's a very strong seller's market. Anything between 4 to 6 months supply of inventory shows it's really a neutral market between buyers and sellers. And if you see anything 6+ months, that's a heavy buyer's market. Obviously, the more month supply, the more of a buyer's market is. And we're seeing 1.7 month supply, so ultra low. And why is that happening? Well, you can hear the number of new listings coming on here. If you look at the number of total sales, it'll kind of balance that out. 545 new sales. Now, that's down 38% of total sales year over year, but you're seeing far less inventory come down. 40% less inventory, and yes, 38% less sales, but it's balancing itself out. Single family sales are once again down 32% from year over year. Only 391 single family sales. Multifamily sales down 54%. So you're seeing less inventory come out there, and of course, now less sales. There was only 71 multifamily sales last year compared to 153 in 2022, in February 2022. And condo sales almost down 50%, 46% down, only 83. You're seeing some movement now in the average sale price. Average sale price is down 3% year over year. Now, does that mean that all houses are selling for less? No, just that particular month. If you look at January, the month before, sales prices were up $40,000. So in February, you see about 3% change year over year. Does that mean the whole market changed 3%? No, that's just that particular month. Days on market, that's something that we look at to see if houses are sitting in the market longer. Usually if they sit in the market longer, you'll see more price trending downward after that. We're actually seeing that the days on market's equal at 37 days as it was pretty much the same time last year. In January, it was 39 days on the market. So we're pretty much equal right there. So what's happening in a nutshell is just not enough inventory. There's too many buyers chasing too few sellers. And what's causing that problem is not enough sellers are putting their house in the market, and interest rates dropped. Actually, 2 weeks into February, interest rates dropped into the 5s. Right now, you're seeing interest rates at 6.45%, but for 2 weeks in February, interest rates dropped about a half a point, and they actually dipped into the high 5s. And that really surged the market with really 7-month supply of buyers all at once. Plus, the state of Rhode Island is offering a $17,500 DPA grant to any buyer, first-time buyers to buy a property. So now you have all these buyers getting $17,500 to go buy a property. You got sellers that are really married to the interest rate of 2.8%, what they refinanced for last year. And now interest rates are at 6%, 7%. It's really discouraging a lot of sellers from putting their houses on the market. And the buyers are still buying, even though there's less inventory out there. So you're still seeing a crunch in inventory. Now, the big question is this gonna change? I really don't see this changing anytime soon. I don't think the Feds are gonna lower interest rates anytime soon. I think this is gonna be a normal market for quite some time where there'll be low inventory and less sales going forward. The biggest thing you take out of this, if you are a seller looking to sell, this is a great time to sell. There's not a lot of competition, and there's a plenty of buyers out there that are looking to buy your property, which is gonna drive your price up. So I don't think you'll see prices drop, unfortunately, buyers, and you'll continue to see a drought of inventory. If you guys have any questions or anything I can help with, feel free to reach out to me. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.